Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Shopify for embedded insurance offers. Check out authorization step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the apps section on your left-hand sidebar. Search for and select the app related to embedded insurance offers. Click on the app to open its settings. Locate the authorization settings within the app interface. You will see an option to connect or authorize your account. Click on the button labeled Connect or Authorize. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter your credentials. Enter your username and password associated with your insurance provider. After filling in the required fields, click on Submit. Wait for the system to verify your credentials. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation message. At this point, return to the Shopify admin panel. Refresh the page to ensure the app settings are up to date. Navigate to the checkout settings in your Shopify store. Enable embedded insurance offers by toggling the appropriate switch. Save your changes to apply the authorization. Test the checkout process to ensure the embedded offers appear correctly. If necessary, consult the app's documentation for troubleshooting. You are now successfully authorized with Shopify for embedded insurance offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.